Hey guys, Tamara here, welcome to my channel, and I thought today's video it would be really fun to show you 3 different ways to style a thrifted square scarf. Without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into it. The first one is on your purse. I think they paid like a couple of dollars for each one. I really like this one. It's got like a beautiful mustard yellow. I laid it flat out and I am folding the edges together to create 2 mini triangles. Once I've lined those up, I'm just simply folding them over just until I meet the middle, and then I do the same on the other side, and then I just kind of close it up like a sandwich, and then I fold it one more time, and voila! You've another thrifted bag. This is like a really beachy summery, and then I'm just taking the scarf and I'm feeding it through the handle. And voila, there we go. I think it turned out really pretty. It's just a nice way to add like a little pop of color. I think it complements the straw really nicely. The second way is side ties. I'm taking the same fold and instead this time I'm wrapping it around my neck. And then I just gave it 2 little knots so it stays in place. It's kind of like a fun rock and roll, sort of 50s. The third way is a retro head wrap. I always see girls wearing this and I love it and I think it looks so cute. Just taking the square, folding into a triangle, and then I'm taking the tip of the triangle and just folding it down. I think I did like 2 or 3 folds, and then from there gather it up, bunch the fabric, tie it around your head. I did a couple of knots. And voila,